Hello, my dear students. Now I'll deal with the first exercise solution from the dictionary chapter. So basically, I'll read you the aim of the program. Write a program that categorizes each email message by which a day of the week the commit was done. To do this, look for the lines that starts with the from, then look for the third word and keep a running count of the each of the days of the week. At the end of the program, print out the contents of your dictionary. So partial solution of this program we have already done it when we have discussed the solution from the list exercise program. So what we are supposed to do in this program is first we need to go through the file mbox.txt, in which we need to search a line which starts with the from, and within that line we are interested in the day of a week part. So I think I already have told you what will be the contents of that file, how what is the behavior of this line. So once we get that content, what is the difference in this solution here is, as you can see in this example, you have that line and you are going to search this line. You are interested in the Saturday, that is the day of the week. So similarly you have these kind of lines in the entire file with the different days in this entire line, right? So in that case, you are supposed to create a dictionary in which it has to keep a count on how many times each of the day has been repeated here. That is the difference that you find with the solution from the list chapter what we have discussed and this chapter. In addition to the solution of that list chapter that we have already done this example, here we need to create a dictionary where it has to keep a count on the keep a count on the days of the week here. So once again I'll show you the contents if you have not yet familiar with this file. So here you have the line which starts with the from, followed by you have the user, and you have the day of the week, and below if you go for searching for the similar lines, you have here the one more line where it starts with the from colon and only the user, that is the email id, followed by you don't have the any day of the week here. Uh, so that means you have to search only the line that starts with the from, not the line which starts with the from colon. Here you can see again you have the from username and followed by again a day of a week. So like this we need to search for this line. We should be able to extract this part of the line, this part of the line, only the Friday. And at the end you are supposed to create a dictionary where it has to have the count on the how many times each day of the week has been repeated. So we'll see the solution now, how we are able to do this. So we'll open a file. So we'll traverse across the lines now for line in event. So already you are familiar with these things, that how you are going to traverse across the lines. So within this entire content of the file, we are interested in only the line that starts with from. F needs to be the capital because Python is a case sensitive, and you need to ignore the lines that starts with the from colon and not line dot starts with. So this line will search only the lines that starts with from, and it ignores the lines which starts with the from colon. So once you are able to get this line, yeah, you can check out whether you are able to get those lines or not. So you can print that line and you can check out whether you are able to get only that lines or not. So you can see you are getting only the lines that starts with the from and the rest of the information here. The file is too large, so I'm going to stop this line here itself. So I'll just remove this print here. So once you are able to get that line, you are interested to extract all the contents of the line, for which you need to split that entire line. So we'll do there line is equal to line dot split, so which will create the list of that lines. Within that we are interested in only the day of the week, isn't it? So in that case, you can see here the content that is the day of week is at which index value. 0th index value you have the from, 1 index value you have the username, and with the 2 index value you have the Saturday, that is the day of the week. That means what we can do here is, so I'll take day is equal to line of 2. That means you will get the at the index value 2 you have the day of the week. So what we need to do is, for every line where you get the day of the week, that needs to be added to the sum list. This particular line will have only the day of the week, but we want all the days to be stored at the one position, that is the list, for which I can take a day underscore list as a list variable. So how to add the contents to the list? So already you know that day underscore list dot append function is used to add the content to the list. So what you want to add? The day, whatever the variable that you have taken to extract only the day of the week, this line, that needs to be appended to this list here. So that's it. If you print this list, you'll probably at the end you'll be able to get. So outside the for loop, I'll show you what you will get if you print this day list here. So it is a too large. If I click on the Saturday, so you can see here you will get all the days from all those lines has been stored under the one place, that is a list that you have created here. But again, we are not interested in this. Instead, we are interested to create the number of repetitions of the each day. So for which what we can do, so we have already seen that how to use a dictionary over here, isn't it? So for that, again, you need to have a day underscore dict as a dictionary variable to add the contents to the dictionary. For I in, so we need, for iteration variable, this for loop needs to be applied on a list variable to extract the contents, isn't it? So extract, use this list variable. So how to add the contents, or how to create a dictionary with the frequency of the occurrences? So you need to have the dictionary variable day underscore dict of I is equal to day underscore dict dot get, right? So what you are interested, I comma 0 plus 1. So that's it. The solution is completed, I think so. So if you print and see, you will be able to know whether you have created correctly or not. So what we are supposed to print, we are supposed to print a dictionary variable now. Execute and see. See, now you can see that Saturday has been repeated for the 61 times, Friday has been repeated for the 315 times, Thursday has been repeated for the 392 times, and so on. So this is the expected solution for the program that has been asked as the first exercise program from the dictionary chapter. I hope everything is clear to you. I request you to go through the contents of the file and try to extract what is required from the file line by line. I want you to execute all these lines so that you will get to know what result you will get for the each line, so that you can think logically what you are supposed to do next to get the required output. So for that, first you have to understand the aim of the program, then the expected input and expected output. Accordingly, then you can write the solution for the program. So this is the solution for the first exercise program from the dictionary, and in the next videos I'll upload the solutions for the next exercise programs from the dictionary chapter. Thank you.